Just look at it. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share my go-to makeup look with you guys, my signature. This is something that I do every single time, whether I'm sitting to shoot a video, if I'm going for an event, if I'm just heading out and I want to look good. This is my, like, do not think and just do my makeup. This is the kind of look that I absolutely love, and of course I'm gonna share my favorite products as well with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Okay, let's get started. Let's talk about skin prep first, जो मैं already कर चुकी हूँ. In the morning, I like to keep it very simple, just 3 steps. Toner, moisturizer and SPF. Toner and moisturizer तो मैं लगा चुकी हूँ, but I still have to put on my SPF. So let's do it right now. And these two are my favorite morning time के लिए. यही दो मैं use करती हूँ. The first one is by Dot & Key. It's their ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier face cream. So ये मैंने use किया है as my moisturizer. And I'm going to be using this one. It's Episoft moisturizer with encapsulated sunscreen. This has SPF 30 in it. Great for an every single day kind of a moisturizer, and especially I have dry skin. This works absolutely great, so I'm going to put this on. I'm just going to apply a little bit more on the neck as well. Don't forget your neck. Okay, with that my skin prep is complete. As you can clearly see, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, फटाक से एकदम स्किन में इमल्सिफाई हो जाता है, बिल्कुल भी वाइट कास्ट नहीं है, एंड आई जस्ट लव इट फॉर माई एवरी सिंगल डे काइंड ऑफ अ सनस्क्रीन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉर मी इज अ स्किन टिंट, एंड ये जब से लॉन्च हुआ है तब से मेरा फेवरेट है. तब से मैं सिर्फ यही यूज करती हूँ एज माई गो टू प्रोडक्ट. दिस वन इज बाय Dot & Key. इट्स अ स्ट्रॉबेरी ड्यू टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन. दिस अ डेली वेयर. SPF 50 है इसमें, एंड आई एम इन द शेड 08 सैंड. इसमें ज्यादा शेड्स नहीं है, बट इट्स अ स्किन टिंट, सो you know, whatever fits in your bracket you can go for it. But this one, oh my god, the finish on this is so freaking good. I am not a foundation kind of a person. I like something very lightweight, and skin tints just does it for me. I like my skin but better kind of a look, and skin tint just gives you that. I don't like to cover up my whole face. I just want something that will correct it a little bit and just gives a nice blur effect, not a lot of coverage, and this is just perfect for that. सबसे best part, you can just use your fingers to blend it in, and I think fingers just works the best with this product. I love that it's so easy to blend, and the glow it gives, such a beautiful healthy glow to my skin. I absolutely love it. Moving on to concealer, the one that I've been loving lately is this one by L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I am in the shade 312 Amber. You can definitely use your fingers to blend it in, but I like to use my brush. I like to blend this on the upper lid as well, just to color correct a little bit, and as you can see, it blends effortlessly, and it definitely highlights my under eyes a little bit, and this is definitely a perfect match for me. I just love the way it blends. It's definitely full coverage, and this just does the job for me. This is the concealer I would go for. Just gives a beautiful flawless finish, stays for a really long time, and gives the coverage that I need. I hate it when concealers just settle in those fine lines, but this one does not do that at all. अभी तक तो मैंने like set भी नहीं किया है, but still you can see it's flawless under my eyes. Love that. I don't usually contour my face. अगर मैंने किया, then this is the product I like to use. This is Swiss Beauty Insta Cover Pan Stick in the shade 06 Contour. I love that it comes in this like a chubby stick, so easy to use. Another trick that I've learned lately is not to do this. I know it's very satisfying to do that, but it just feels much more easier to just use it like this and go over wherever you want. I'm actually not using it as a contour, but just using it to bronze up my face a little, add just a little bit of warmth. As I said, I don't do this every single day, but especially when I'm shooting and stuff like this, जो मैं भी करने वाली हूँ इसके बाद, then this will definitely be as my signature look, I would say. I love how it just warmed up my face a bit. That's exactly what I like. Definitely adds a lot of dimension. Another area that I love to add this is just over here. Not the whole thing, सिर्फ यहाँ पर. And I just like to pinch it a little bit more. And yeah, I think this is definitely like the perfect bronzer shade for Indian skin tone. Especially if you are like a warm undertone, just go for this. This is beautiful. Moving on to my favorite part is cheek tints, and this one especially are my most favorite. This is by Etude. It's their Dear Darling water tint, and I have two shades with them. And yeah, this is the red kind of tint and this is a pink kind of tint. This is the first thing that I bought, and as you can clearly see, आधा ही already खत्म हो चुका है. And as I said, if I'm shooting, even if I'm not doing any makeup, I'll still wear this every single day because I just love the way it looks on my lips. Just look at this. Love it. Even if I'm wearing like a different lipstick altogether, I'll still wear this lip tint ki just because wo agar lipstick nikal gaya, this will always stay as it's a stain. It stains the lips, so this will always be underneath. And I love to use this on my cheeks as well. Again, I am going to be applying blush, but this will just be as an under layer of it. And I definitely do like to go a little bit overboard with this because iske upar powder bhi aayega. As I said, this is my favorite and my go-to blush sets. I think let's just set everything that we just applied. So for that, I'll be using the Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte. This one is kind of like a foundation powder, which I absolutely love. It's very fine and it does not feel very cakey on my face, yet it still blurs my like the T-zone area wherever I applied. I love it. Let me show you guys the before. You can see there is a lot of shine over here, and in person ना यहाँ पर बहुत सारे ऐसे bumps है, pores जैसे दिखते हैं यहाँ पर. But as soon as I apply a little bit of this powder, it just blurs it. This one looks so much better. That's the reason I went a little bit overboard with the blush. And I love to apply this near the T-zone area as well, jahan par usually it does get a little bit sweaty or oily. This side is the after, this side is the before. I like this side much better. And you can see the blush is also blended out so well and it's not looking as dark. That's the reason I like to go a little bit overboard. Powder लगाने के बाद I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the blush, and for that I'll be using this one by Kiro. Again, something that I've been loving lately, and this is how the shade looks like. Let me just swatch it for you. Look at that, so pretty. This one is in the shade Vintage Rose 03. I love this one as well. Done with the blush. I love it. It's looking so pretty. I love this shade on me. Face is done. Let's move on to the eyes now. First, eyebrows kar lete hain. For eyebrows, these two are my go-to products. So first, I like to use the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I'm in the shade 02 Taupe Tom, and I love that this one has like the filling thing as well as दूसरे side पे spoolie भी है, so it's all in one kind of a product. So I just like to brush down, and then I'm gonna use the filling side. I love that this is not very dark. As you can see me doing it, it's not very dark. Perfect for filling in. And I'm just gonna use the spoolie part and just brush it in. See, it's looking so much better already. Let's do this side. Again, I'm gonna brush it down. ओके, ये करने के बाद यूजिंग द स्पूली जस्ट ब्रशिंग इट आउट अगेन. और ये क्या करता है, ब्रश तो करता ही है, प्लस इट ब्लेंड्स द प्रोडक्ट इन, सो देयर आर नो हार्श लाइंस व्हाटसोएवर. Looking pretty. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is just gonna set it in place. Plus, this also has a tiny bit of a tint, so ये भी color add करता है. And with that, my eyebrows are done. Just these two products काफी affordable है and it just gives me the perfect brows every single time. If I am just going out and about, then this is the only thing that I like to use. Just use a little bit of a brow mascara. It adds tint and it just sets them in place. For eyes, again, I like to keep it simple and this is definitely my go-to look. First, I'm going to use a brown kajal. This one is by Maybelline. It's Tattoo Studio Smoky Kajal in the shade. This is brown, basically. ऐसा कुछ दिखता है. Let me just swatch it for you guys. It's a beautifully pigmented and very soft kajal. So दूसरे side पे it has this smudger जो हम use करेंगे अभी. So I'm just gonna apply it a little bit only on the outer corner, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to create like a wing. You don't have to be precise at all with this. Flicking it on the outside and just very roughly trying to fill it in very close to my lash line, basically. So do one eye at a time because you also need to use the smudger side, and I'm just gonna smudge it in. And this just gives me the best kind of a smoky but also winged out look, and I just love it. इतना simple है, but it still makes a difference. Kind of feels like I did a lot of stuff to get that look. I'm gonna do the same thing over here as well. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna finish it up with mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. This is by Maybelline. It's the Sky High Mascara. Love this one. पहले curl कर लेती हूँ. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with this mascara. इसका wand भी मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है, बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा product नहीं उठाता and it just gives the perfect amount of color to my lashes. Okay, my trick with mascara is I like to hold it very close to the bottom of the lashes and kind of fill that in first. I feel that gives the illusion that आपने fake lashes लगाए हैं. Once I do that, then I like to fill in the upper lashes as well. Just look at that difference. I love it. बिल्कुल भी spidery lashes नहीं लग रहा है. I hate that look. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well. That's all I like to do with my eyes. पहले मैं बिल्कुल भी mascara नहीं लगाती थी. I used to be an eyeliner person, but lately I've been enjoying mascara a lot, and I think this is the reason why. I just love it, love it, love it. Let's move on to the lips, and इसके लिए मेरे पास दो options है. Both are from Faye Beauty. Love them. The first one is Faye Lip Whip in the shade Safe Word, and if I want more of a glossy look, then I like to use Faye Gloss in the shade Living. So जब मैं ये लगाती हूँ, I just like to pair it up with the lip tint and a little bit of gloss, and I'm good to go. But today I'm feeling a bit more of a lip whip kind of date, so let's use this. And even if you want to like overline your lips, just use this. It will look the most natural. I think Safe Word एक ऐसा शेड है जो सारे इंडियन स्किन टोन्स को काफी अच्छे से सूट करेगा. It looks beautiful on me. It has that perfect brown mauve hint which I love, and this is my perfect every single day like a signature go-to lipstick of mine. As I said, this and this combo is my go-to. And with that, my makeup is complete. That's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, आपको ये look कैसा लगा? Let me know in the comments down below. With that said, सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Do not forget to check them out. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
had a dream. We were sipping whiskey neat. Highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list, upon that list.